All right, so this is a tachometer that we use and provide with our 2-liter TDI builder's kits. And we had to come up with a plan on how to install this in the CJ project that we're building for a customer. So Mark, our head fabricator here, had come up with this design. So why don't you walk us through?
Okay. We just needed a low profile housing, so this is machined 6061 aluminum. It has a recess machined into it, and then we machined a plastic insert that the tack seats up against, but then you still got to tighten it down. So this is the locking ring. We just 3D printed a special socket to go on there. Oh, it's not on there properly. There we go. That locks it down in place in there, and then you can run your wires through the back cap, which goes on there.
Some nice little detail there. You got the Coty Built logo. Okay, and what's holding it? And you've got some...
Just some M5 stainless button head hardware to hold the back cap in place. And this one is just gonna, it's gonna sit beside the steering column. So then all we did was just machine a, what would you call it? Just a clamp that clamps around the steering column, clamps around the tack. There's some room for adjustment, and
So that's this here.
That is that guy. All the plastic parts were black acetal, so they were machined out of that, and then the rest is aluminum. And your wires will come out there, and then
So you 3D printed these?
no, these were all machined
Oh, okay.
on a CNC router out of black acetal, and it was just the socket that we 3D printed.
I see.
Then you'll put this on your tack, right side up. Put it around your steering column. Got some little, I don't know what you'd call them, not split pins, but anyway, little location pieces. So everything goes together tight. That'll be on your steering column, and that's your tack, and you move it wherever you want.
Awesome.